Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In other parts of the world, there is a flavor of the month or the restaurant which shines bright for a couple of months before falling by the wayside. But here in Pakistan, our months are defined by conspiracies or scandals, full stop. There is a new one every few weeks, to our never ending shock and horror, full stop. The negative growth rate or the mess up in the LNG orders or the fake accounts, even so we never tire of our hand wringing over past messes and what they cost us, full stop. New para. These days, it is the broadsheet saga, full stop. Musharraf and his generals in their crusade to rid Pakistan of corruption and recover looted money had signed a deal with a seemingly shady company, full stop. And later, the general and his men were forced to call off the crusade for the same reason politicians don't pursue them, political expediency, full stop. But poorly signed contracts and poor decision making meant broadsheet took the country to the cleaners by approaching the courts and winning compensation, full stop. New para. And now, one of those behind this shady company is giving interviews here and there, making outrageous claims which are being taken rather seriously, as ours are being devoted to thrashing out the issue, full stop. How did we hire such a company, question mark? Why did we sign such a weak contract, question mark? Why did we dish out the award, question mark? What does it say about our accountability process, question mark? So much money has been lost, full stop. In some ways, it is such a familiar story, full stop. But even more familiar is this chest beating about money lost and poor decision making that is now long past, full stop. New para. Why do we obsess so much over what has passed, question mark? Is it because it is easier to dissect and criticize, question mark? Or is it because large sums of money with multiple zeros make for good shock and horror moments in discussions, question mark? Perhaps it is a bit of both, full stop. For we rarely ever expend our energies on accountability issues which are not done and dusted or don't involve money, regardless of the fact that there are many such cases in which, seemingly, NROs are being given a full stop. One such story has been ongoing in the courts for months, full stop. New para. 3 years after the brutal extrajudicial killing of Nakibullah Mahsood, those accused of his murder seem to be closer to freedom, full stop. And this in a case that was once headline news and deemed important enough for a Supreme Court intervention, full stop. Nakibullah, a young man in his 20s, was killed in mid-January 2018, along with three others, full stop. The police had claimed then that the four were militants, but within days it was clear that the deaths had happened in a fake encounter, full stop. Widespread protests forced the state and courts to take notice, full stop. A flurry of activities resulted in inquiries, investigations, and so motos, and the main suspect, Rao Anwar, was arrested. Full stop. New para. But 3 years later, as interest has waned, the case in court is going another way, full stop. 5 of the key witnesses have resigned from their statements, full stop. In July of last year, Sub Inspector Rana Asif and Head Constable Sabzada Jahangir took a U-turn, full stop. The sub-inspector had earlier stated that he had witnessed Nakib and the other 3 in police custody before the encounter, full stop. The constable had stated that he had witnessed the staged encounter, full stop. But as we coped with the first wave of the coronavirus, these 2 men had a change of memory in court and took back their statements, full stop. New para. On October 30, 2020, it was reported that another witness went back on his earlier statement, full stop. A month later, newspapers told us once more that police investigations of the telephone data of Rao Anwar revealed he was not in the vicinity of the area where the encounter had taken place, full stop. Small stories, published on the inside pages of newspapers, they barely got noticed, full stop, and rightly so, full stop. There are no big sums involved, no zeros, full stop. Just 4 unimportant young men who would have lived lives of quiet desperation if they hadn't run into Rao Anwar, full stop. No wonder then that all these proceedings have almost passed unnoticed, full stop. New para. Around 10 days ago, another effort was made to draw attention to this sleet of justice, full stop. Nakibullah's family and the lawyers helping them held a press conference on his third death anniversary and highlighted what was happening, full stop. His brother said the family was losing hope, full stop. Gibran Nasser, a lawyer who is helping with the case, also spoke and pointed out that 5 policemen, whose testimonies formed the basis of the prosecution's case, had retracted their statements, full stop. New para. He added that though all of them were state employees, neither the government nor the police had taken any disciplinary action against them, full stop. In television interviews, Nasir has also pointed out that the government has not made life easy for the policeman who has been the investigator of this case, while those going back on their statements have faced no consequences so far, full stop. It is not hard to guess which way this story is headed, full stop. But no one seems bothered, full stop. We would rather make a hue and cry over spilt milk, the money lost, or the cost to the Pakistani taxpayer, full stop. New para. We will never stop regretting incompetence or ill intentions in financial matters which goes unpunished, full stop. For money in our cash strapped state matters far more than human lives, full stop. And this is why broadsheet gets the headlines and the airtime but not a court case in an anti-terrorism court, full stop? Or is it because the entire ruling class understands the benefits of a police force addicted to extrajudicial killings? Question mark. Everyone is a beneficiary and no one gains from discouraging this practice except the poor citizens who are never a priority, full stop. And one can keep adding the zeros here, comma, to the numbers of those killed, but it just never becomes sexy enough or dramatic enough, full stop. The state knows what needs to be protected, full stop.